When you start a brand new document in new Microsoft Word, there will be no ruler at the top and left. But we can very quickly bring it back. Simply head from default home to view. It should be at the very end at the top. That's the last ribbon, last tab. And from here, you just need to turn on rulers by clicking on the checkbox. And they're all back. Old-fashioned rulers that we can control easily with mouse and modify how the document behave based on that. Keep in mind, you can also double tap this area to access your margin and layout settings very quickly, like in the previous version. If you want to switch them off for some reason, you can just click this check mark again, and now they are hidden. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.